Welcome to Southern Mom Life. My name's Amanda. I'm a mom of 3, and today we're going to do a clean with me. Hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe.
But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out.
So let me know in the comment section down below if you feel the same way I do. It amazes me how a toddler can tornado a room in seconds, but yet it may take hours to clean. Let me know down below, you moms out there, if you have the same issue.
Hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette.
Fresh. So let me know down below what you guys think.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me.
Also, you guys, I love feedback. So if you could let me know how I'm doing in the comment section down below. If you like this, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what else you guys would like to see. I am always open and welcome to suggestions. I love doing these videos. They're a lot of fun, they're motivation, and it's just really good. So let me know down below what else you guys would like to see.
I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this.
Alright, so don't forget to stay connected, hit the subscribe and the notification button if you would like to see more of these, and I will see you guys in the next one.